Alright boys, who remembers the Yak 130? The FMS red 70mm EDF jet? Well, I kind of crashed it. And look, I've had lots of foam filler and it's looking pretty bad. So, we're gonna make it blue. So for this project, the materials I used were Tamiya acrylic paints, 3 different colors, mainly which are on screen right now, the Iwata Neo airbrush, and then stands, Tamiya masking tape, and everything I need to actually paint the aircraft.
What do you mean lay it? Oh.